We left Cherokee Ruby Mine early, and before we knew it, we had crossed into Georgia. Going around Atlanta was congested even on a Monday mid-morning, but our first stop was on the horizon. Buc-ees is a gas station, but oh so much more.
This is my first Buc-ees and I'm super excited.
I'm excited for her too. She's gonna enjoy a delicious brisket.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the brisket and just exploring in a Buc-ees. Oh, here's the jerky. Oh. Great bathrooms. I gave it a little, yep, you're right there. There he goes. All right.
All the way out.
All the way out. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, that's okay. Yummy. So this morning we left North Carolina and Cherokee Ruby and Sapphire Mine, and we've driven south past Atlanta, and we got to stop at a Buc-ees, and we got a brisket sandwich, and we're just going to enjoy that. And now we're headed to Florida. It's brisket.
Yep.
All right, let's see how delicious this is. That was pretty good. And I know brisket. That's pretty good.
With our tummies full of yummy brisket, we headed south again. We left Interstate 10 and headed west into the Osceola National Forest. We turned down a forest road where we found a great free camping spot next to a pond. It's hard to beat a view like this for free. We had the place to ourselves. We arrived in time to take in the view before the golden hour arrived. Karen found some beer tabs, metal detecting, and I watched a snowy egret feed in the pond. After driving all day, we took a walk around the pond to stretch our legs. This was our first National Forest boondocking experience, and you can bet we'll be back.
Okay, so we have woken up in our first morning of boondocking in our first national park. And it's still a little dark outside, but look at what we get to wake up to. It's this beautiful pond, and there's going to be a beautiful sunrise. I've got a time lapse out, and it was noisy. I won't lie, it was sort of a cross between an airport and a train junction here. I had earplugs in and I could still hear the noise outside. But what a beautiful spot. I got to see a snowy egret yesterday. I think that's what it is. I got some footage of it, and I'm gonna put it in and we can all share it.
We were on the road early because today is going to hold a lot of adventure for us. We're going to visit an old Spanish fort, and of course, we need to see the beautiful sand beaches and get our feet wet in the Atlantic Ocean. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.